About me, not too many times I like to speak about me, because the time the people tell about big project, the ignorant people don't want this come out, because this don't have information and have big suspect. No, in my life, the time I was baby, children, I was very curious. If my mother tell me the egg born from the chicken, I don't trust, I will see is born there. And this put me for I research too much. I go in my university, I study about Pietro Paolo Rubens. About Pietro Paolo Rubens, that time in Cambridge, I sit in front of the teacher, I tell, you don't understand nothing about Pietro Paolo Rubens. This story make very big fire. My stepfather also was very, very jealous. Why you tell this? You lose everything. Director from universities come outside and tell Cardamone, if you now don't give the proof, you go out to the Cambridge and I destroyed your life. I asked the director of the university for giving me 3 days. These people tell what you want. You make one bibliothecary. I come there, I have a lot of document, and I give you proof for everything. Nobody tell me bravo, nobody tell me congratulations, nobody tell me nothing, but I see all the commission is stand up and tell congratulations, what you do. Director for respect the university come with me and tell, now today you destroyed the expert about Pietro Paolo Rubens. I don't want to make the name because it's not correct professionality. But the time these people is died, giving me all the bibliothecary about Pietro Paolo Rubens and tell, continue your life, it was one, perfect. One day come in my laboratory, big laboratory about to restore diagnostic the painting, one people and tell, I have one painting, one copy, the Caravaggio. I restore this painting. At the time I start, in the technique tell, I open one window, the restore, and this window, the restore, I see this was one Pietro Paolo, was one Caravaggio. Caravaggio I know because I like too much this artist. And there I call the owner and tell, listen, this is no one copy, this one original. But in the middle, for I tell this one original, better I research. At the time I research, I have information from Archivio Cardinale dal Monte, big collector of the art, is really have to paint the Bacco del Caravaggio. About this I continue research because I'm very curious. I find the document, this exists, but nobody have information where was this painting. The owner is I lost for 2 years, and after this come back and tell, yes, this was one Caravaggio, please continue to restore. About this I make a presentation in Londra, I make a presentation in Zurich, and this give me confirm this was one painting, the Caravaggio. Why I have this experience? I have experience because I was in the school for tirocinio with the professor Maurizio Marini, and Maurizio Marini at the time see I like Caravaggio, they give me chance for I study too much in this laboratory. And the time born this expertise that I win, I tell this present for Professor Maurizio Marini. About this I continue to many artists, but every time one artist come in my hand, from diagnostic, from research for everything, I win because I study and I listen what to tell every time Professor Maurizio Marini. When you have a big painting, you stop and research who this possibly was. And after you put the diagnostic, you control and you do this. About this, I was director in Iran for important museum, the Tehran. I was promoter in Iran, doesn't matter the politics, I don't look religion, I don't look politics, and there I was the first promoter the art contemporary. Before me, Iran look all the art in the carpet. After Cardamone, now there is born one auction, there 2 million artists working for the art, and also I was promoter for this artist. And I very enjoyed for this. I don't take any profit, but I was promoter also for this. I come in modern art. In modern art, I look too much Vincent van Gogh. And with Vincent van Gogh, it was very, very, very important for me, because everybody look the art and don't look what was the life of Vincent van Gogh. Nobody have information. Vincent van Gogh have a wife, the Theodore, the brother. This was one artist, but these 2 artists live in the same house and make competition together. Also, I find very, very important information about the Vincent van Gogh. I have a chance for I see the whole archivium, the Hitler. In Hitler archivium I find lot painted the modern art, and there also I find the too many art from Vincent van Gogh. What I do the last, because here it was very long for I speak the art, because in my hand I have archivium for more than 64,000 archivium for every artist in the world. The antiques, the modern, and the contemporary. So about Salvator Mundi, I know because I research also for Leonardo da Vinci, because Leonardo da Vinci was one particular artist. This was research for medicine, for everything. And for me it was very curious, because also Leonardo da Vinci is worked too much in the Florence, have a very nice laboratory in Florence. And also I go, I live in the museum now, keep archivium, something information about Leonardo da Vinci. When I see this painting go in the auction, I study only art, I research only art. If somebody speaks for me about football, I don't understand nothing. Also Italy is too much attached to football. And about Leonardo da Vinci, I research very soon, and I see about chemical material, this dome was original. And I research important family, is owner, really owner the original painting, Salvator Mundi, and I take contact, I play, where goes the painting. These people tell me one story. This painting go in New York for restore. There have one artist, woman, and this artist woman don't want to keep the art for restore the painting, but want to understand about the material the people use for restore the painting, antiques. And this woman produce one fake painting. The time the painting go in the auction have very long way, because I look everything behind. This go in the auction, and the important auction, this start to paint, sell this painting for one important family Altani. With family Altani, I work too much, because I restore the painting. I was consulting the time this want to buy the painting. I go with the sheikh. I tell, listen, I'm sorry, I buy your time, but you started to buy one painting, this painting was fake. I don't think one expert think for do this. Too many experts maybe have information this painting was fake. Ma I tell you why I don't do. I do. I want to protect the art. And I go there, I tell you, listen, the painting you start to buy was fake. The people attach me too much. The people press me, the people like corruption me. And I'm not afraid for telling my table is come 4 million sterling for I closed my mouth. My studio laboratory is protecting my life. Everybody come inside, I have a record. At the time of this family, I cancel, I don't want this money. Tell, now you finish the life. I tell, no, I not finish the life, because my turbine protect me every time. This finish. After the family Altani introduced, the painting was fake. And one day the family Altani called me, please come in Oriental country, in our house. I think this moment may become something a problem for me. I go there, these people tell, thanks for everything you do, because you respect Oriental country. Everybody start here, sell the fake painting, everybody buy it, was think this original, and you was the first person. And family Altani tell, please send the invoice. I tell, for what I send the invoice? I tell this, not for you, but because I want to protect the original art. These people look at me tell, why you don't want nothing? I don't want nothing. 1 second, I don't forget, the family Altani stand up from a table and tell, 1 second, I think in this moment maybe these people want to kill me, maybe want to do something. These people tell, I give a ring, our family. This ring is very important, this go for every member of the dynasty about the family Altani. Now you received this, because you was the first person, don't want nothing, and you protect the art. From this I work too much, I help other museum, private museum for make painting, but I was enjoyed also because I want to tell art, the Leonardo da Vinci. Ma in my life too many cases, not possible I have a good power, the authority. About this I have regular document. To many authority I tell, listen, this painting is still in the museum, nobody introduced, because the art is third element in the economy in the world, and too many people not illegal behind. And I see also one painting, the Caravaggio, is very important. Caravaggio, the authority know what I speak, because I send all document. Somebody steal one painting in Italy, introduce. Nobody want to introduce. Now this Caravaggio have other owner in other country. Have too many way. But important for every artist, I tell the time you make this way, the artist make one box and collect all skeleton you find in the way. Only this guarantee you for you live. If you don't have this skeleton armadio, the other people do very bad way, maybe you lose the life. And also I want to give you one information for every collector, gallerist, private company make asset to bank from the painting. Our Principato collect the painting, the collection, the art in more than 300 years. And this collection have a very important art. Have painted the Caravaggio, have painted the Leonardo da Vinci, have painted the Vincent van Gogh, have all the document all about this painting. Also have bank date from 64,000 archivium, diagnostic, everything about the painting. And this diagnostic is coming from a very big company from Italy, and this company from Italy worked for more than 25 years. This was TSA from Professor Rosano, and Pietro Rosano, very cool, give chance for all the collection, the people have diagnostic, and our family keep all this. About in this moment too many fake painting have in the marketing. If you find one expert, this expert have a problem with the money, this expert you give the money, it is tell this authentic. Our family have a big collection, more than 1,000 paintings, I want to repeat, have diagnostic, and now have capacity for make expertise. But our expertise is born from one passport the painting. Want to make one line? Yes, too many law in Italy was protected the art, but too many law I possibly make a conference for tell how make fake story have behind. One sample was Salvator Mundi, the Caravaggio. This have very fake expertise for still more than 400 million sterling about one painting was fake. And this was one simple, but other people I see in my job, and also other group, the family that times work long years ago, too many fake painting was in the market. Our Principato want to give one sigillum, the authenticity about the painting. And the sigillum for authenticity, only this expertise have behind a very big insurance about the painting. Because too many people make expertise after tell this died, after born new technology, and the painting was fake. What to do the collector? Lost the capital, lost the time, and lost everything investment is make. Our Principato this make the passport. And the passport was for sigillum, for guarantee, and this passport have deposit for the life in our archivium.